making more, and we ain't making love no more. You took that talk, but you don't have to win, so show it.
What's going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, laying in some makeup. I wanted to show you my easy and quickest concealer method. So I wanted to show you guys that really quick because I actually have a meeting that I need to attend to. So I said, before I real quick throw on some makeup, let me show y'all how I be doing this thing. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes I don't be doing all the steps, okay? I just be moving. But yeah, y'all, let me jump some of this primer on real quick and go into this makeup real fast. So real quick, I'm gonna jump into some L'Oreal Paris concealer. I kind of like cover up my dark circles with this, child. I got dark circles, okay? So I'm gonna put a little bit, a little here, a little there. I'm gonna let that dry down just a little bit or whatever. And I'm gonna jump into my Vanessa Mavericks. This has been my little shot. I go back and forth when I do this with a beauty blender and a brush. I do use a beauty blender when I am in a little rush for my meetings. A beauty blender, it really blends it in better. Ciao, yes, okay. I'm going to let my inner corners lay there just for a little bit. And I'm just going to take a little teeny bit of that same concealer and just go like that over my eyes because I kind of don't really want too much on the eyelids, but I do want to put a little something on there. Oh, I forgot to do my chin. Almost forgot, ciao. I'm going to jump into some powder, just like that. And now we're going to jump in and I'm going to clean up these under eyes. Very important to get those under eyes real good. Especially with me, child. I got creases like crazy. Stick that right under. I kind of like my nose. Like right there, I just think that's too much. So since that's too much, I gotta do my nose with my eye. Rub this right in my crease. Yeah, so then I'm gonna go over this with some powder, of course. All right, and I'm gonna just take a little bit of that powder. Just kind of like my skin tone, but not so much. I actually take my contour powder and I just rub this all over my eyes. Like it's just very natural. I even take some and I bring it down. Just very chill. Just some light. Now I'm about to go into some foundation powder. Put that right there. Let that dry for a minute. And I wasn't gonna put no lashes on, but I want to put lashes on, child. I be feeling naked without lashes. Fix that real quick. Y'all know what I mean when you do the hair. What's going on? Let me do my lips real quizzy. Who don't want to do a line lip? Let me spray my face too. Me, I just sometimes just gloss it out. You know what I mean? This has like a little tint in it. This is definitely how I'm going to my meeting. How y'all doing? The concealer method has been one of my fave methods or whatever, especially when I'm fast and I'm on the go. But yes, boo, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Hit the notification bell button too. And I like you, boo. You feel what I'm saying? Don't forget to keep God first. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.